Hello everyone, hi, welcome to Journal Treasures. My name is Galit and today I'm using my regular junk journal, and I really wanted to put down in my junk journal the movie that we saw, which is Guardian of the Galaxy. It is volume 3, the last one, and it was really good. It was so sad and it was so good. I really enjoyed every moment of it, and I really wanted to put it in my junk journal. So I printed out some images. I have another image here, but it's with my husband. So the first thing that we need to do is find a page to work on. This one is actually really cute. Okay, this one is actually... I also bought another Funko Pop of Jungkook, and this is the Dynamite series, and I put it here next to this page, and this is a flip out, and I really love how this turned out. It's so cute. I'm grabbing my box of scraps. I'm actually trying to find some book pages. Oh, here they are. I love this. It kind of fits. Okay, maybe like that. Yeah. I don't know if you know Marvel, but at the beginning of each movie, they have like a film rolling of every Marvel movie, series, stuff like that. And this time, it was just the Guardian of the Galaxy. I really enjoyed that. I think I'll pull it down a bit, and I will cut the bottom as well so it won't be so straight. First, I really wanted to make a title here, which is Guardian of the Galaxy, and I wanted to make them with these stamps. I'm gonna search and stamp all the letters, and I will come back. I will do a fast forward.
Sunny day, right there you took my breath away. Young and pretty, was it just a dream? The next day you called me up, you told me I'm your little buttercup. You came over and you fell into my arms. Well, I know what I feel, please tell me your love is real. You make me smile when I think of you. If I am down or when I am blue, I can't get enough.
And now I'm gonna add the images. I'm just adding a label. Because it was the story of Rocket. They say the entire movies are the story of Rocket, but this one really showed his history and everything that he's been through. And so yeah, it was really sad. He has a really sad story, but very powerful. And I want to keep an area here for journaling. So I am thinking of making, something like that I can flip. I'm just gonna cut this area here. I'm gonna grab washi tape just to cover this to give it a bit more sturdiness. Just gonna add more here because it didn't stick. Alright, and I'm gonna put, this is the movie theater that we went to, and these are the images that I took online. And I have another image that I really want to put, which is me and my husband at the movie theater. And okay, and I'm gonna make this as a tag. So I'm gonna flip and cut. And I also like to cut this to make it a bit wider, something like that. Because this is the story of Rocket, I really wanted to put him here. I'll put him at the front. Maybe I will cut the image a bit. Yeah. Okay, let me glue that. And I think I will distress only this tag, so it will pop a bit more. Now let's put the images. I think I will add it like that. I really want to add this image. Maybe I will make this not as a flip out but as a pocket, because I already put this image at the back. I don't know if I can pull it out without tearing it. Okay, I pulled it out, so I will put it here. Good. And maybe I will add this image here. God. Okay, I made a complete mess, but that's okay. Good. Okay. Much better. And I will add another label here. So I'm just searching for a label that will fit. Maybe something like that. Or like that. Maybe this one. I think I will go with this and I will cut. And now I'm gonna put the image here and I will come back. I just added this so I can easily flip it. And here I have some journaling area as well. I'm quickly gonna journal on everything. I journaled pretty much wherever I wanted. I really enjoyed this movie. It was so good, so deep in so many levels that it was such a great night. It's so deep and so fun, and you laugh, you cry. It was a great movie. And it's sad that it's ending, but everyone had their own closure and stuff like that. And the story of Rocket was so sad, but it was so good. I really enjoyed how it closed everything up and I loved how the character changed until even the end. So it was so good. I really enjoyed it. And here I journaled as well. I journaled a bit here and here and here. I really love how this turned out. It was I just really wanted to put everything on paper because it was so nice. I hope you enjoyed this very short and quick video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye. Bye.
Hmm.